afternoon, students. Good afternoon, everyone. This is your English reader, first chapter, Rekha's new friend. This is in your English reader book. First chapter, Rekha's new friend. Okay. It is fun being with friends. Sometimes when you be with your friends, जब आप friends के साथ होते हो, we can play games, talk, eat, dance, draw, read, and sometimes spend the night over. तो हम उनके साथ गेम्स खेलते हैं, टॉक करते हैं, ईट, डांस, ये सब करते हैं ना, एंड समटाइम्स स्पेंड द नाइट ओवर, और कभी कभी रात में भी हम उनके साथ नाइट में भी रहते हैं फ्रेंड्स के साथ. ओके. व्हेन वी बी विद योर फ्रेंड्स यू फील हैप्पी. आप हैप्पी फील करते हो. सी, दीज आर सम चिल्ड्रन. They are feeling so happy. They are looking so happy. They are playing. They are eating. They are reading with each other. Okay. What do you like to do with your friends? Write the names of 3 friends. Write 3 activities you like to do with them. Okay. जब आप फ्रेंड्स के साथ होते हो तो आप क्या क्या करना पसंद करते हो? What do you like to do with your friends? फ्रेंड्स के साथ क्या करना पसंद करते हो? तो उनके साथ आप, and 3 activities you like to do with them. Here you will write your friend's name and here activities. Okay. Now we will start the chapter. We have already read this, but today I am telling the summary of this chapter. Okay. First, we will start from here. The class third's first day was there. It was the first day of class 3. Everyone was excited, but Rekha was sad. There was a girl named Rekha. She on that day she was sad. Everyone was excited, but she was sad. Because her best friend Manu had left the school. क्योंकि उसका जो बेस्ट फ्रेंड था मनु, उसने स्कूल लेफ्ट कर दिया था, वो छोड़ के चला गया था. I really miss Manu. We had so much fun together. I don't feel like talking to anyone. Now Rekha is thinking. Rekha is saying, see, ये ऐसे इस तरह जो ये बबल्स आते हैं, that is Rekha is saying. वो रेखा है. She is Rekha. She is saying, Manu, I really miss you. We had so much fun together. हम एक साथ कितना फन करते थे, कितना खेलते थे, कितना टाइम स्पेंड करते थे, एक दूसरे के साथ पढ़ाई करते थे. But I don't feel like talking to anyone. But now
Morning, ma'am.
good afternoon, beta.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Rohit Pipliwal.
Good afternoon. This is your first chapter. Okay. We will revise this. We have already read, but today read again this chapter. Okay. First chapter in English reader. Their class teacher Miss Anita Tawang walked in. When the third class students were sitting in the class, the teacher comes in. Good morning, children. We have a new student in class. Please introduce yourself. There was a girl with teacher. She's the girl. She's teacher. So teacher entered in the class and a girl with her. See, she is a new girl and teacher introduced her. Everyone was happy to see the new girl. Everyone was happy when new girl came there. Hello, my name is Alice. I have come from Bangkok. This is my first day in this school. She is Alice. New girl is Alice and she is saying, hello, myself Alice and I have come from Bangkok and this is my first day in your school. Okay. Now all saying hello Alice. This girl saying hello Alice. Then welcome to India, Alice. How do you feel about studying in an Indian school? Then teacher asks, welcome. When some new students come in the class, the other students, teacher welcome them. Welcome करते हैं ना, उनका welcome करते हैं. So teacher said, welcome Alice. How do you feel about studying in an Indian school? Because she has come from other country. दूसरे देश से आई थी ना वो, बैंकॉक से. So what do you feel about studying in Indian school? वो बोलती है, टीचर पूछती है कि तुम्हें कैसा लग रहा है इंडियन स्कूल में. I am happy to be in India, but I don't have any friends. Obviously, when we go at new place, we don't have much friends. हमारे कोई ज़्यादा friends नहीं होते ना. तो वो बोलती है कि I am happy. मैं यहाँ खुश हूँ, but I don't have any friends. मेरे कोई friend नहीं है. Then Mrs. Tawang smiled at Alice. So teacher smiled because she knew that when we go in a new place, new school, we don't have any friends. So Mrs. Tawang smiled and don't worry, you will make friends here too, Rekha. Rekha, why don't you introduce Alice to everyone? She said, don't worry, you will make friends here. आपके यहाँ भी friends बन जाएंगे. Then the teacher point out to Rekha. Rekha was a girl in that class. Rekha एक girl थी ना. She said, Rekha, why don't you introduce Alice to everyone? She said, Rekha, तुम एलिस को सबसे इंट्रोड्यूस कराओ. Then Rekha took Alice around the school during the lunch break. Then teacher asked Rekha. So Rekha took the Alice in the school in lunch time. जब lunch time हुआ तो वो Alice को लेके पूरे school में गई और सबसे introduce कराया. Hello Alice, tell me about your school in Bangkok. Then Rekha asked, she is Rekha, she is Alice. ये रेखा है, ये Alice है. So Rekha said, hello Alice, tell me about your school in Bangkok. When you were in Bangkok, tell me about that school. मुझे उस स्कूल के बारे में बताओ. Oh yes ma'am, I would love to. ये बोलती है, हाँ, जब मैम ने बोला ना कि यहाँ भी आपके बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स बन जाएंगे, she said, oh yes ma'am, I would love to. Then she said, hello Rekha, this school is so big. She said, Alice said that here your school is so big. There were only 20 students in my class in Bangkok. But when she was in Bangkok, there were only 20 students in her class. After a few days, Rekha and Alice became good friends. कुछ दिन बाद रेखा और एलिस बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड्स बन गए. ओके, दे बिकम गुड फ्रेंड्स. दे लव शेयरिंग देयर लंच, और वो एक दूसरे के साथ अपना लंच शेयर करने लगे. हाउ डू यू लाइक द स्कूल नाउ? रेखा आस्क्ड, हाउ डू यू लाइक टू द स्कूल नाउ? अब तुम्हें स्कूल कैसा लगता है? हाउ डू यू लाइक? आई एम ग्लैड यू जॉइन अवर स्कूल. आई मिस माई फ्रेंड मनु लेस. नाउ लेट्स हैव लंच. आई हैव सम idlis. Then Alice said, everything is still new to me. Alice ने बोला कि अभी भी मेरे लिए सब कुछ new है. Everything is new for me, but I'm happy to be here. But she was so happy to be here. वो बहुत खुश थी. And I enjoy the music and dance classes. And she enjoyed music and dance classes very much. उसको म्यूजिक और डांस क्लास अच्छी लगती थी. आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेड सम फ्रेंड्स, और उसके कुछ फ्रेंड्स भी बन गए थे. आई एम ग्लैड यू जॉइन अवर स्कूल. देन रेखा सेड, आई एम ग्लैड, आई एम वेरी ग्लैड बिकॉज माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड मनु हैज लेफ्ट द स्कूल एंड आई वॉज सो सैड, बट आई हैव फाउंड अ फ्रेंड इन यू. मनु के जैसा मुझे अब आपके रूप में एक फ्रेंड मिल गया है. So I am glad. I miss my friend Manu less now. अब मैं मनु को थोड़ा कम मिस करती हूँ. ऐसे होता है ना कि जब आपका कोई बेस्ट फ्रेंड चला जाता है, आपको उसको बहुत मिस करते हो. फिर दूसरा कोई अगर फ्रेंड अच्छा मिल जाए, देन यू एंजॉय विद हर और हिम, है ना? ऐसे होता है ना? एंजॉय करते हो ना? थोड़े दिन बाद थोड़ा हमें भूलना पड़ता है ना उनको, क्योंकि ऐसे अगर हम एक ही फ्रेंड को याद करके सैड होते रहेंगे हमेशा, देन इट विल इफेक्ट ऑन अवर स्टडीज, ये तो हमारी स्टडी पे इफेक्ट होगा। तो हमें थोड़ा थोड़ा उनको भूल के दूसरे फ्रेंड्स के साथ फिर एंजॉय करना चाहिए। देन लेट्स हैव लंच, आई हैव सम इडलीज। देन रेखा से कि अब हम लंच करते हैं, मेरे पास कुछ इडलीज है। यमी, आई हैव गॉट पास्ता एंड सम फ्रूट। देन एली सेड दिस इज यमी, मेरे पास पास्ता और फ्रूट्स है, लेट्स ईट, चलो खाते हैं। ओके, अंडरस्टूड दिस चैप्टर?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, now see, now I'm asking some questions. Which class are we talking about? Which class are we talking about? Third class. Yes, very good. Who answered? Who answered? Devangi. Clap for Devangi. Clap for Devangi. Okay. Now, everyone was excited, but one girl was sad. Who was sad? Okay, it's okay. Everyone was excited, but one girl was there who was sad. Who was she? Rekha. And why was she sad? वो sad क्यों थी? Answer in English. Answer in English. Her best friend had left the school. And what was the name of best friend? Manu. Yes, Manu was her best friend. Okay. And what was Rekha thinking? What was going on Rekha's mind? Rekha के mind में क्या चल रहा था? Yes. She was thinking that Manu, I am missing you. I am missing you, Manu. She was thinking, I am missing you, Manu. And we had very much fun together. We played together. We studied together. हमने एक साथ पढ़ाई की थी, हमने एक साथ खेलते थे. These all things were going on in Rekha's mind. Okay? रेखा के दिमाग में यही सब चल रहा था ना? ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What was class teacher's name? Yes, Mrs. Anita Tawang. Yes, Mrs. Anita Tawang.
मैम सबसे पहले मैंने बोला मैम सबसे पहले मैंने बोला है मैम सबसे पहले मैंने बोला कल
Okay, it's okay.
मैम सबसे पहले
I know you all know answers. Then when Mrs. Tawang entered, what did she say? When Mrs. Tawang entered in the class, what did she say? Yes. Yes. She introduced a new student, a new girl. A new girl has come and she introduced her. Okay. Then what did she say? What did she say to new girl? New girl को क्या बोला? Yes. Please introduce yourself. Means she said to new girl, introduce yourself to the class. अपने आप को क्लास को introduce करो. मतलब आप खुद से अपना introduction दो. Give your introduction to this class. Okay. And everyone was happy or not to see the new girl?
Happy.
Yes. Everyone was happy to see the new girl. Then what did the new girl say in first? What did? Yes. Okay. She introduced. Uh, okay. From where she has come? From where she had come? Bangkok. And in the when she introduced, what did the whole class say to us? Say to her. Hello, Alice. Hello, Alice.
Hello, Alice.
Next. What did the teacher said afterwards when she introduced?
Welcome to India, Alice.
Yes.
How
Do
do
you
you feel
She
in
asked.
India?
The teacher asked.
Teacher asked, welcome to India, Alice. How do you feel studying out in an Indian school?
Yes. How do you feeling? How do you feel in an Indian school? वो टीचर ने पूछा कि आपको इंडियन स्कूल में कैसा लग रहा है? Then what did Alice say? When teacher asked, how do you feel? What did Alice say?
In India, I don't have friends.
She said, I'm happy but I don't have any friend. Yes. She said, I'm happy but I don't have any friend.
But I don't have any friends.
मिस तवंग स्माइल्ड एट एलिस. जब मिस तवंग ने एलिस को स्माइल किया, फिर मिस तवंग ने क्या बोला? What did she say?
Quickly.
Don't worry. Yes, don't worry. Here, this is new school for you, but you will make friends. Okay? And why don't you introduce Alice to everyone? Then she said to Rekha. Rekha से क्या बोला? Rekha, why don't you introduce Alice to everyone? And at which time Rekha took Alice around the school? At which time? At which time? Yes, during the lunch break. During the lunch break, she took the Alice in the school around. Then, what did Rekha ask to Alice? Hello Alice, tell me about your school in Bangkok. She was asking her new her school, her old school in Bangkok. जब वो बैंकॉक में थी तो वहाँ के स्कूल के बारे में वो पूछ रही थी. She was asking about that school in Bangkok. What happened after few days? What happened about Rekha and Alice?
Best friends.
Yes, they become best friends. Good friends. They become good friends. They became good friends. They became good friends, and then afterwards Rekha asked. What did Rekha ask afterwards? जब वो फ्रेंड्स बन गए तो रेखा ने क्या पूछा? How do you like the school now? How do you feel now? Then what did Alice say? What did Alice say?
Everything is interesting. And
Okay, Lakshitwa, you tell. Lakshitwa.
music and dance classes.
Vaibhav is there.
Yes, ma'am.
What did Rekha say to Alice when they became friends?
What can I see?
Okay, Utkarsh, you speak. Utkarsh.
How do you like the school now?
No, yes. She asked, how do you like the school now? Then, what did Alice say? Alice ने क्या बोला? She said, I am glad, sorry. She said, I am happy here and everything is still new to me, but I am happy to be here. She said, I am happy to be here and I enjoy the dance and music classes. Music and dance classes. I have already made some friends. And she said, I have already made some friends. And now tell me, what had Rekha in lunch? Which dish had Rekha in lunch? Yes, idli. Rekha had idli in lunch and what did Alice had in lunch? Yes, had pasta and Alice had pasta and fruits. Okay. Now this is exercise A. Complete these sentences. These are some sentences, but these are not complete, and we will complete these sentences. The class was excited because. Why was the class excited? Because it was first day in the school. The first day सब excited होते हैं ना? The class was excited because it's what? First day. Rekha was sad because. Rekha sad क्यों थी?
Alice had left the school.
Alice. Her best friend left the school. The new girl Alice had come from. Yes, the new girl Alice had come from Bangkok. The teacher asked Rekha to introduce Alice. Alice enjoyed which classes? Music and dance classes. Okay. Now here are some sentences. Number these sentences in the correct order. You have to write correct order of these sentences. First sentence is, a new girl joined their class. She was missing her friend Manu. Miss Tawang asked Rekha to introduce Alice to everyone. Everyone was excited to be in class 3rd. Rekha was feeling sad. First sentence is, what is first sentence? Yes, everyone was excited to be in class 3.
Everyone was excited to be in class
3. Okay, this is the first sentence. Afterwards, in that class, who was sad? Rekha. Rekha was feeling sad in the class.
What sentence says a new girl joined their class?
Next, a new girl joined their class. Fourth one. No, for third is, she was missing her friend Manu. Then a new girl joined their class. And Mrs. Tawang asked Rekha to introduce Alice to everyone. Now these hot questions, some hot questions are there. Do you think it is important to have friends? क्या आपको लगता है कि सबके friends होना जरूरी है? Why? Do you think so? Do you think? Yes. First speak yes or no. Do you think this is important? It is important to have friends. Do you think? Yes or no? क्या आपको लगता है कि सबके फ्रेंड्स होना जरूरी है? हाँ या ना? Yes. Yes. Everyone wants a friend because why? Because we can share our views, we can study with them, and we are human beings. We are living in a society and we can't live alone. कोई भी society में alone नहीं रह सकता अकेला. So we want a family, a friend. हमारे साथ कोई होना जरूरी है. Then we can share our things. We can play games with them. We can study with them. We can go market. We can do everything with them. हम जो चाहे वो उनके साथ टाइम स्पेंड कर सकते हैं. We can spend our time. Okay. So this is important to have friends. इसलिए friends होना जरूरी है. What do you think is the best way to make friends? Best way. What is the best way to make friends? Friends बनाने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका क्या है? Best way क्या है? What is the best way? देवांगी? Yes, tell.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Yes, Utkarsh.
Introduce.
Yes, introduce ourselves. Then afterwards, share things. Yes, very good. Share things. Sharing and helping. We should help others. We should help others. If we will help others, we will share our things. So we can make them friends. तब वो हमारे friends बन जाते हैं. And if we have same interest with someone, अगर हमारे interest same होते हैं किसी के साथ, तो वो हमारे friends बन जाते हैं. ये some ways. These are some ways that we can make friends. Okay. What do you enjoy doing with your friends? अब one by one you will tell कि आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ क्या करना पसंद करते हो. सबसे ज्यादा एंजॉय कहाँ पे करते हो आप? रूबल. यस. टेल फास्ट. रूबल.
Talking.
Yes, talking. Okay.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Yes, you speak. Friends. और
Friends.
what?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Sorry बेटा, फिर से बोलो.
And parents. Friend and
Friends. No, friends के साथ आप क्या करना एंजॉय करते हो? क्या क्या पसंद करते हो करना?
Playing.
Yes, playing and study.
Playing.
Study and talking and
Study
gossip,
Talking.
all these things. Okay. Play games खेलना.
Talking
Okay.
about the city.
Now we come to some grammar opposites. Here are some opposites. Replace the underlined words with their opposites from the box. Here are some words. Bright, large, new, downhill, wide, sunny, smooth. Yes. Happily, long and cool. Okay. Now here are some underlined words. Listen beta. Here, 1 minute. Here are some underlined words. Rekha looked at the old red bicycle at her door. Old. Here is underlined word is old. What is the opposite? What is the opposite? Who is talking beta? What is the opposite of old? The underlined word is old. And what is the opposite? From here, bright, large, new, downhill. Old का opposite क्या है? In this
New.
new.
Young.
Okay. Yes, new.
Yeah.
Rekha looked
Young.
at the young. No, young is not there. So new. Old red bicycle at her door. Here is new. New red bicycle at her door. It was a dull, cloudy day. Then dull and cloudy. These are some words, underlined words. Dull ka opposite. What is the opposite of dull?
Yes.
Bright, large, new, downhill, white, sunny. the opposite of dull? White, sunny, smooth, happily, long, cool. Dull का bright. It was a bright, cloudy. Cloudy का sunny. Cloudy मतलब बादल छाए हुए. Sunny means धूप निकली हुई. Sunny day, and she was looking forward to a short ride with Alice. Short, short का long. Short opposite of short, long. The children set off. The road was rough. Rough का opposite smooth. The opposite of rough, smooth. And they rode sadly. Sadly is opposite happily. Sadly is opposite happily. A warm breeze blew as they rode uphill. Warm, opposite of warm, cool. Yes, very good. Cool breeze blew as they rode uphill. Uphill's opposite downhill. In the distance, black cows were grazing in small fields. Black opposite white. White cows were grazing in small fields. Smalls opposite large. Okay. Next exercise. Find 7 words related to school in this word search. This is a word search. You have to find 7 words.
Study.
Yes, study. In which line?
Study.
Yes. This is student. Student. Where is study? Where is study? Yes, in this line, study. Yes. This is book. This is book. Okay. Okay. Book. Where is teacher? Where is teacher? Yes, this is last line. Teacher. Okay. This is teacher. Yes, dance. Where is dance? Dance. Where is music? Music, dance. This is student, teacher. Okay. These are some words, 7 words related to school. Now spell right. This is for pronunciation. When we add e to some words, जब हम e कुछ words में e हम add कर देते हैं, then the sound change. Read these words aloud. इनकी sound change हो जाती है. इसको हम बोलेंगे can. जब हमने इसमें e लगा दिया, can can, but cane can. Okay, can. Speak can. This is bit, bite. Okay, bit, bit. But when we will write e, so this is bite. Bit, bite. Okay. HOP hop. HOP hop. HOPE ho. Okay. Hop, hop, ho. Hop, ho. Sound is changed. The pronunciation is changed. Hop, ho. Okay, ऐसे चेंज होता है जब हम when we add e. जब हम e ऐड करते हैं कहीं पे, so the sound is changed. Cut, cute. Cut. This is CUT. Cut. Cute. Okay. Cute. Add an e at the end of each of these words. Read them aloud. at. ATE 8. देखो AT at, इसको हम at बोलते हैं. We speak this at AT, but when we will write e, so it will be ATE 8. TONE ton, TONE tone. MAD mad, इसको हम बोलेंगे mad, but when we will add e, यहाँ पे e लगा देंगे तो MADE made. Mad, made. Speak mad, made. Pin, P-I-N, pin. When we will write E, pine. Pin, pine. H-A-T, hat. H-A-T-E, hate. H-U-G, hug. H-U-G, hug. But when we will write here E, then it will be H-U-G-E, hues. Hues. This is hues. Speak this properly. Hug, hues. H-U-G, hug. H-U-G-E, hues. Okay. N-O-T, not. N-O-T-E, note. साउंड इज चेंज. देखो मैं जैसे मैं बोल रही हूँ आप भी बोल के देखो. स्पीक इट, नॉट, नोट. साउंड इज चेंज. साउंड चेंज होती है ना. ओके. नॉट, नोट. C-U-B, कब. C-U-B-E, क्यू. क्यू. D-I-N, din. D-I-N-E, dine. T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tape. Tap, tape. Tap, tape. Okay. T-U-B, tub. T-U-B-E, tube. Tube. K-I-T, kit. K-I-T-E, kite. K-I-T, kit. K-I-T-E, kite. Okay. Now everyone speak one by one word. A-T, at. At में हम E ऐड करेंगे, क्या बनेगा. दोनों को बोल के बताओ. This one. At 8. So first one, Devangi, you speak. Gitanjali, you speak. Gitanjali. At 8. Okay. Now Devangi, T-O-N. Devangi. So speak both. दोनों को बोलो. T-O-N, ton. T-O-N-E, tone. Yes. Next, Rubal. M-A-D.
mad.
Yes.
made.
Made. Very good. P-I-N, pin. Utkarsh. Pin. P-I-N-E. P-I-N-E. P-I-N. Speak this. दोनों को बोल के बताओ.
P-I-N, pin.
Yes. P-I-N, pine. Okay. Vaibhav. H-A-T, hat. Vaibhav. Vaibhav. H-A-T, hat. Vaibhav. Lakshitva, you speak. Lakshitva. Lakshitva. Hat. H-A-T. Lakshitva.
H-A-T-E.
Hate. 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 Hat means जो hat पहनते हैं. Hate means किसी से घृणा करना, किसी को लाइक नहीं करना. Hate. H-U-G, hug. H-U-G-E. Raghav, you speak. Raghav. 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 Raghav is not there. Okay. Who is there? और कौन बच गया? Yes, Devangi. Devangi, you speak.
H-U-G, hug. H-U-G-E.
Use. Okay. Good.
N-O-T, no.
Okay. One more thing. Write these words in alphabetical order. Card, shop, hill, money and apple. Lakshitva, you tell. Lakshitva. Arrange these in alphabetical order. Card, shop, hill, money and apple. Arrange. Lakshitva.
Apple.
Yes, apple.
Apple.
Then
Card.
card. Very good. Very good. Then
Hill.
hill. Okay. Then
Money.
money and
Shop.
shop. Very good. See, apple is starting from A. Alphabetical order means according to alphabet. A, B, C, D के according. I have told you in grammar. Okay. Apple, card, hill, money and shop. Good. Next, Vaibhav Marotha. You tell. Vaibhav. Vaibhav. Jar, pearl, kite, ink, lamp. Vaibhav. Gitanjali, you tell. Gitanjali. Jar, pearl, kite, ink, lamp.
Ink.
Yes, ink.
Kite.
Okay.
Then sit jar. Then sit field.
Pearl.
And pearl.
No. Before pearl, lamb. Lamb पहले आएगा ना बेटा?
Lamb. Before. And people.
After kite, lamb आएगा, है ना? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Done? Good. Now about sentences. ये देखो, आपको मैंने sentence बताया. What is sentence? What is sentence? This is grammar. Yes, very good, very good. One by one. You all know this sentence. You all know the definition. Very good. Sentence. What is sentence? A group of words arranged in a proper order. Yes. Okay. Now some rules for a sentence. We always begin a sentence with a capital letter. This is first rule. Sentence हमेशा capital letter से start होता है. Okay. And end with a full stop, question mark or exclamation mark. This one or this one. Three things: full stop, question mark and this exclamation mark. ये ऐसे line फिर उसके नीचे dot. Okay. This one exclamation mark. A sentence always has a doing word and makes complete sense. एक सेंटेंस का एक कंप्लीट सेंस होता है, एक डूइंग वर्ड होता है, मीन्स एक वर्ब होता है सेंटेंस में. वर्ब के बिना सेंटेंस नहीं बनता है ना. रेखा's mother gave her a bicycle on her birthday. This is a sentence. Rekha loved her new bicycle. This is a sentence. Okay. Complete these sentences in your own words. This is our last exercise. ये last है. इसके बाद हम next उसमें करेंगे. My birthday is on. My birthday is on. Complete this line. My birthday is on. Okay. Okay. Different answers will be there. अलग अलग आंसर होंगे ना इसमें तो सबके, क्योंकि सबका बर्थडे अलग अलग डेट पे आता है. ओके. 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 आई विल बी. आप कहाँ जाओगे, किसके साथ मनाओगे? आई विल बी. मैं, मेरे बर्थडे पे बहुत खुशी होती है. आई विल बी. ओके. आई विल सेलिब्रेट माई बर्थडे विद माई फ्रेंड्स, विद माई पेरेंट्स, विद माई फैमिली. ओके. ऑन माई लास्ट बर्थडे लास्ट बर्थडे पे आपने क्या किया था? टेल दिस. लास्ट बर्थडे पे आपने क्या किया? Rearrange these words to make sentences. Okay, now one more exercise. आपको ये वर्ड्स को अरेंज करना है सेंटेंस बनाने के लिए. बर्थडे गॉट प्रेजेंट्स रेखा मैनी ऑन हर बर्थडे. यस. रूबल यू टेल. रूबल. Make this sentence. Yes, good. Rekha got many presents on her birthday. रेखा को अपने बर्थडे पे बहुत सारे प्रेजेंट्स मिले. Bike knew very much. She liked her new bike. She liked her new bike very much. Okay. Wanted she learn to bike her too. Wanted she learn to bike her too.
She wanted to learn bike ride.
She wanted to ride her bike. वो अपनी बाइक चलाना learn to. She wanted learn to ride her bike. Okay. One by one बेटा. One by one. Falling she kept off by her. देवांगी. गीतांजलि wait with गीतांजलि रूबल wait बेटा. देवांगी you tell. Falling she kept off by her. रूबल wait. रूबल wait बेटा. Let others tell. Falling she kept off by her. Yes. She kept on falling her bike. Her bike. Taught friend Rekha's her Alice to the ride bike. Rekha's friends taught Alice to ride her bike. रेखा के फ्रेंड्स ने एलिस को सिखाया हाउ टू राइड अ बाइक. ओके. नाउ मेक सम sentences more. Rekha looks, is, rides, cooks, has. Rekha rides her bike every day. Now the bike looks very nice. The bike looks very nice. Her mother cooks idli for her. Her mother cooks idli for her. Her sister has a new car. कुछ भी हम any sentence you can make. And the weather is very hot today. The weather is very hot today. Very hot today. Okay. Okay, this chapter is over. Have you understood properly this chapter? Again, have you revised this? Okay. Okay, can we over now? Okay. We will do this in Rekha's mother sent her to the stationery shop to buy envelopes. This is an activity in your book. You can do this. Okay? आप बुक में ये एक्टिविटी कर सकते हो. ठीक है? This chapter is over. आपको इसको ना रेखा को पाथ बताना है. You have to tell the way. Okay? The class is over now. We will over now.